Morning, one and all. Welcome to the first session of CA Final Financial Reporting. So before I dive into the topic, so I'll just like to give you a little bit of overview as to how we'll be covering this particular syllabus of ours. Okay. So the first thing is the paper pattern. You know that our mother body recently has brought in the new syllabus, and as per the new syllabus, there is some pattern change. If I have to really say about the change, the thing that has changed the most is only the pattern. In terms of content, etc., it is more or less the same. Two theory topics were there, they were removed, and two new theory topics have been brought in. Okay, that's all. And some comparison between accounting standard and Ind AS has been brought in. Otherwise, subject wise, whatever content was there in the existing syllabus, more or less 99% I would say, same thing has been continued. Okay, the first thing is the paper is still for 100 marks. 70% of the paper will constitute your descriptive paper, meaning you'll have to solve or whatever the thing that you're being used to it now. 30% will be an MCQ driven paper. Okay, this MCQs most probably will not be a straightforward MCQ. It will be a case based MCQ, meaning they'll give you a case study. Under that, they may ask you multiple MCQ questions. And this is not really a headache because whatever concept you have learned, the same thing will be applied as a case and given to you in the examination, which you will have to apply. Okay, this is not something which is really new. This is pretty much the same thing that we've been doing. Okay, that's about the paper structure. Second, if I have to talk about our class materials, how we have designed our notes. One of the basis for me to prepare my notes is ICAICA study material. I've taken ICAICA new study material as a base and I'm adding all the questions to my notes. Okay, all the types of questions of ICAI I've incorporated in our notes itself. And since there's a new syllabus, we may not have that much of RTP, MTP questions. From the existing syllabus, few RTP, MTP and previous year questions also I have brought forward and have brought it in. Okay. Fair enough. So if you look at the coverage, it's pretty much comprehensive. You don't have to refer any other book for that matter. Our notes are more than sufficient for examination. Many of you have already purchased our classes and you have given wonderful feedback, and you have also said that our modules, our teaching, our notes are more than sufficient for examination. So you can stick to that. Yeah. All right. One more thing is, sir, FR ka syllabus is pretty huge. Probably the biggest paper in terms of content in your FR is, or in your final syllabus is financial reporting wala paper. Some of you would have already gone through the study material. If you just count the number of pages in new study material, it's around 2,400 to 2,500 pages. Just one book of FR is close to that many pages. Not scaring you, just sharing with you. Okay. So now you tell me, if you have a 2,500 pages book to study on the examination day, will you be comfortable with that? Can you flip through everything in one day? Is it possible? Quite difficult, isn't it? Yes. So what I've done is I've brought in something known as the colored chart book. Now, what is this intent? I'll show you maybe quickly sample chart book or how it looks like. I'm just quickly showing you the sample chart book. This is a handwritten colored chart book. So what is the intention of this is, all the concepts of your FR syllabus. I repeat, all the concepts of your FR syllabus using this colored chart book, you can revise in 5 to 6 hours. In flat 5 to 6 hours, entire concepts of FR you can revise. Okay, so that is the intention of the chart book. Basically, lot of contents, your 2,500 ka study material content, I've condensed it into around 150, 160 odd pages ka chart book, which you can revise it quite quickly so that you can use the remaining time to solve more practical questions for your practice. So to bring down your burden, we have brought in this particular colored chart book. This is a classroom specific chart book, meaning the way I will be conducting the class, that is the way I've designed, or in that order I've given the chart book. Fair enough. And if you want to buy any of these books, doesn't matter whether it is our study books or for that matter chart book, you can place the order from our website learn.arivupro.com. Once you go to our website learn.arivupro.com, go under CA section, you'll be able to see books section. Under books, you'll be able to see this option called chart book. You can place the order, add the books to the cart, and the books will be delivered to your place. Any confusion so far? Anybody? Online. All good? Can I proceed? Okay, great. Third one. So what is the duration of our classes, sir? How long should we see your face? Already we are bored, correct? No. But unfortunately or fortunately, the syllabus of FR, as I told you, is pretty voluminous. So we would need roughly around 300 hours to complete the entire curriculum or entire syllabus of our FR. So that's going to be our more or less the duration. And this is just a ballpark figure, plus or minus 10% could happen. We will see along the way. Okay. Another part is others. One thing, this is specific for the recorded guys who have purchased our classes. The guys who have purchased our recorded classes. One of the common queries that we get is, sir, in what order should I watch your videos? I see a lot of videos on the app. What should I start with, or how should I follow them? So I'll be creating a file called a recommended order for watching the videos. There'll be a PDF file called this. This particular PDF file will tell you in which order you need to watch those online videos. Okay, because that is the order in which I will be doing my face-to-face or live online class for that matter. So I recommend that you also watch the videos in the same order for maximum benefit. Okay, this is not relevant for face-to-face and live online audience. You don't have to worry. This is only relevant for the recorded folks. And the second one is, sir, you have joined our class now. Do you have any expectations from me? Do you have any expectations from me? Yeah, probably one thing you expect is teach us in a way that we understand and finally we pass the examination. Correct? No, that is your expectation as a student from the teacher. Similarly, I also have a small expectation from you. Not big, only chota, small. Okay. One expectation that I have from you is daily revision, sir. Please do take the classes very seriously, and we'll be doing everything inside the class itself. Okay, I know that you are CA final students, you have 101 commitments, articleship, studies, girlfriend, boyfriend. Yes, 101 drama is happening in our life. Yes, no. So I'm not adding too much to your burden. Okay, all I want you to do is spend about 30 to 40 minutes daily. 30 to 40 minutes. That's all I'm asking. Not too much also. If you have too much more than that, if you can spend, great. Happy. Okay, even if you are not able to spend more than too much time, at least spend 30 to 40 minutes daily, meaning whatever I've done in today's class, try to revise that going home. That's all. Okay, and trust me, to revise whatever we have done, it should not take you more than 30-40 minutes time. Okay, again, I'll ask the same question to you tomorrow. You let me know whether you were able to revise today's session within this 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, that's the way I will measure that's the way I'll assess myself. Can we commit to do this, everybody? Everybody, can we commit that daily at least we will study 30 to 40 minutes? Everyone okay? Can you give me this much assurance? Yes, you're writing your examination. No? I put in so much of effort. See, look at all this chart book and all. It takes insane number of time. If I want, I can just cover the syllabus and do it. I don't have to do all this handwritten chart book. Okay, we have done so much so that on your examination day, your burden is eased up and ultimately you clear one of the reputed courses in India called Chartered Accountant. Okay, so do keep in mind that this is one of the reputed courses and this is also kind of the little bit on the tougher side the examination is. So Institute want only those people who put in the desired efforts and who have the necessary ethics and dedication. They only to ultimately become chartered accountants. So please, my request is only this much you do it. And attendance. Please do attend the classes regularly. Do not skip. I know that sometimes it's very difficult to wake up early morning and kind of attend the classes and all. But trust me, this is one important. The reason being, the majority of the syllabus that we'll be covering in this FR cannot be finished in one day. Most of the topics take more than one day. In fact, some topics may take 8 to 10 days to cover it, to finish it if I start. Okay. So if you miss first day class and come on the second day, neither will you understand what is happening in the second day, nor I'll be able to help you, because 3 hours ka session, I cannot give you the whole recap, right, on the next day. So it is your responsibility to make sure that every day you attend. If you want, you can come to the academy as a face-to-face student and attend our classes, or you can attend the class from your place itself. That is absolutely your choice. I have no problem with that. Okay, but please do make sure that you attend daily. Okay, by chance if you have missed any classes also, anyway, access will be given to you. The videos will be uploaded. Watch the video immediately before you attend the next session. Okay, this is one sincere requirement from my end. If this much you can take care of, rest of the things I will take care of. Don't worry about that. Okay, so you're my inter student and you watched recorded and you scored 72 and 83. Oh, fabulous, man. Amazing marks. Congratulations, money. That's very nice to hear. Immediately after inter, you have come to see a final. It's always nice to see an inter student, continuing with you for final. Awesome, money. Okay, great news. Okay, hopefully you'll score the same 83 marks in your CA final also. Okay, wish you all the very best, macha. Okay, all right. Anything else? Anybody? No. Okay. So then one more thing is Arivu Pro app. We have our own app called Arivu Pro. Please download it. One of the reasons I'm asking you to download is main is notifications, sir. If there is any changes in the syllabus, or if they have added any extra questions, or if I want to communicate with you. Basically, there are more than like 500 or close to 700, 800 students who have purchased our recorded classes. So it is very difficult for me to kind of get and call each of them, or for that matter, our team to call each of them and kind of notify them about the changes. One easy way to communicate, to transfer my message to is, we'll send a notification through the app, so that large section of audience can be targeted in one go. Okay, so if there's anything that has come out importantly, I'll be communicating with you guys through the help of this app notification. That's one of the reason we ask that you kind of download this app and keep it. Fine. And also, especially again, this is more relevant again for recorded guys. If you want to download our classes and watch it offline later on, if you have any internet connectivity, that download option, speed control option, if you want to watch it at 1 speed, 1.5, 1.25, like this, you have various options, yeah. So if you need that, or quality control for that matter, all those features are available in Arivu Pro app. Okay, and also if you are, whatever you feel about our classes, kindly place review of our classes so that it will help the other students to kind of connect with or get an idea about our classes, etc. Okay, so yes, so this is the overview of what we'll be doing, how we'll be doing, and how long we shall be doing it. Any questions you have from your end before we dive into the topic? Anybody? Everybody in the online alive and awake? Yes, all good? Okay, thank you.